Hi everyone, my name's Janie. Today we're at Auntie Grace's house making apricot and coconut loaf. It's simple and delicious. The recipe's in the description below. We're going to start by slicing up the apricots and soaking them in some milk. We want 1 cup of apricots, diced. Two cups of milk. And we're just going to let that sit for a bit. Who wants an apricot?
Me.
Boop, 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 boop.
Thank you, Mama. Me.
Good boy. Now we're going to mix the dry ingredients together, starting with 1.5 cups of white flour and 3/4 of a cup wholemeal flour. Then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And 1 cup of raw sugar, and you could use honey or maple syrup as a healthier version, or half the amount of sugar I've done as well is fine. And then 2 cups of coconut. And now we're going to mix it. Mixing.
I can't see. Hey, you can put it here.
Gonna come here and you go on that side, Gret. Good. Any lumps, guys?
No.
No, looking good. So we've put the white flour, the wholemeal, the baking powder, the coconut, the raw sugar, and the diced apricots and the milk are in there. Zah, do you want to pour the milk and apricots in for me, hun? Good. Who wants to have a mix?
Me.
We'll start with you, Toads. And Gretel, you want to mix? Remember keeping the spoon on the bottom so it doesn't flick up. Good girl. And Vera, you want to mix? Sauda, you want to mix?
Yes, please.
It could be nice with chocolate chips as well.
Yes. Yes, please.
I don't have any, but it could be nice with chocolate chips added as well. You might need a little cheer too.
I gave a cup loaf already.
Yeah, he likes mixing, doesn't he?
Maybe turn.
Maybe's turn. Maybe have a turn.
Maybe turn.
Looking good. And would you guys like to go over to Granny and get a baking tin? You want to go see Granny? Okay, you guys go to Granny.
Hi, Granny.
You want what, sorry?
Baking tin.
A baking tin. Hi, William. Gretel, do you want to take those two?
I'll take one.
Tilda takes that one because she's the biggest, and you take that one over, okay? Bye. Bye. See you later. See you later.
What should we use? That one. So we put it into a grease tin, or I like using baking paper. And stir it up, and then it fits the shape better.
Let's have a here fun.
And into the oven for about an hour. Good. Anyone want to have a look?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
William's face is grubby.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is your face grubby, boy?
Yeah.
Loving it. You guys want to go see the little chickens?
Yes. 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 Chickens. Hold it. Can I hold it? Okay. I'll beat you too. Yeah.
Any frogs?
No what?
Whose boots are you putting on, boy?
Look at
The Maeve's.
Hi, Zelda. I hope I don't get the princess.
Tilda, let's see your card.
Yeah, hang on. So.
Fine.
Dada, let's see your card.
Safe.
You and another player secretly can their hands. The player with the lower value is out. Yes.
Do you have the princess?
Okay. She got
Since
me.
you're so confident. I didn't even get a turn. No.
That's good. So
No,
it's
it's
just
just you two in. You two are still going.
I'm just going to check it now. Looking pretty good. Browning a little fast. I might just leave the door open a bit.
You can point to a few different ones. I don't. Take this. Is it done?
We're going to check it, Maeve. Should we stand back and we'll check it?
Is it done?
Looking good.
Smells good.
Put a knife in. Perfect. Good. Beautiful. We'll let it cool for a bit.
Hot?
Yeah, still hot.
Excuse me. What about we can do home stay home?
I'll play some Go Home Stay Home.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Stay home. Go home stay home. I'll be in first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's great with a little bit of butter or just plain by itself.
Can I go get some water, Mama?
Okay, come enjoy it, Dad.
This is delicious.
In a bit, Willie? You gonna eat some?
Yeah. I don't like these.
Yeah, here.
Do you want some water? Yeah. I need some water.
Make sure you subscribe and we'll see you next time. If there's something you'd like us to make on one of our stoves, leave a suggestion in the comments below.
Mostly I love making chocolate cookies, but I don't get to eat some chocolate because it's bad for my teeth.